Hello everyone, welcome to the Techie Home. This is iPhone 8 Plus 256 GB memory. Now I will show you what comes in the box. 256 GB memory inside. It's inbuilt into the iPhone. It is iPhone 8 Plus. Now you see, after opening the cover, you see some papers are there inside. It's including the stickers, including the pin for changing the SIM. Now this is the phone. It's look very beautiful. Wow, perfect golden color, which it's having a glass frame at the back and the dual camera with detection. Very sleek design. Along with the phone there is a charging plug. Since I am in UAE, so this is a minus plug, and here it is a earphone, and this with the earphone they have provided one extension. Okay, this extension, because earlier we used to have a circle pin. Now this is the earphone. Good. The new earphone is already with the minus pin. Yeah, in the older version it was round, so we need the extension, but this version they have already corrected it. Good. And you can see now there is a cable for charging. Same like old iPhones, it's there. Again minus pin, and you can use this plug for the plug. Even you can use older any iPhone plug you have. Nothing inside. Yeah, it's very nice and beautiful.